Are Instagram autoplay videos eating up all your cellular data? In this short tutorial, I'll show you a simple yet effective method to turn off the autoplay feature on Instagram and say goodbye to unnecessary data usage. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, scroll down until you see an option called Data Usage and Media Quality. Just tap and select that option. And now you'll see two different options. So in order to turn off auto-playing videos on Instagram, simply toggle on the switch next to Use Less Cellular Data. Once you enable this option, Instagram will use less cellular data and won't play videos automatically. But if you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, videos might still autoplay because there is no option to completely disable autoplay on Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.